In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a board in Trello in just 5 minutes. This guide is perfect for beginners or anyone looking to streamline their organizational efforts using the versatile Trello platform. Let's dive in and get you up and running. First, you need to navigate to the Trello website. Open your preferred web browser and type in Trello.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with Trello's clean and engaging interface. Now, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a Login button. Go ahead and click on it. If you already have a Trello account, this process will be straightforward. For those using Trello for the first time, you'll need to set up an account, but today we'll assume you're logging in with an existing one. Once you've clicked Login, you'll be presented with several login options. Click on Google to streamline the process using your existing Google account. Choose the appropriate Google account from the list provided. This integration is one of Trello's many conveniences, allowing for smooth synchronization across platforms. With access now granted, you'll find yourself on your main Trello dashboard. On this page, you'll see any existing boards and projects you've been working on. For creating a new board, look towards the top navigation bar. You'll notice an option labeled Create. Click on this button to begin setting up a new project board. Next, a small window will pop up with several options. You want to click on the Create Board button. This action is the gateway to customizing the management tool that fits your project's unique needs. After clicking on it, it's time to give your board a personality with a title. Think of a name that succinctly describes the project or the purpose of this board. Type it in the designated area where you can input your board title. Following this step, you'll need to decide who can view your board. You can set the board's visibility to private, team visible, or even public, depending on the project's nature and your collaboration needs. This is crucial for maintaining the right level of confidentiality or openness. Make your choice by clicking on the respective visibility option presented. Finally, with everything in place, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the window and click on Create. Congratulations, you've just set up a new Trello board, ready to be organized with individual cards, lists, and team inputs. And there you have it, creating a Trello board in just easy steps. With your board ready, you can start adding cards, assigning tasks, and accommodating your workflow with the flexibility Trello offers. Whether it's for personal projects or collaboration with a team, Trello is equipped to accommodate your organizational style. Happy planning!